Hello, Darin Martineau from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of my top products. Okay, I'm going to start off with some of my new products that I'm making. How would you like to have a complete magic act, all done for you, everything, including the script, including what to say, what to do, everything. Well, you're going to love these new products we have at Master Magic Shop. I'm going to explain these products. This is called Pro Close-Up Magic Act Number 1. And this is by me, Darin Martineau, and it includes the digital downloads. It includes 16 instructional magic videos and 5 ebooks. Okay, the complete act you're going to get. You're going to get 3-coin production. You're going to get my new Super 3 fly with a 100% coin vanish, absolutely visually stunning. Okay, that's the opening coin routine. The card act, card printing artistry, where you show blank cards and you make them appear on the faces and backs one by one. Next, try this for size, which is a Richard Himber routine, which is a card to any number prediction. Next, in the card act, you have the linking cards, and this is not the Paul Harris linking cards. This is my own linking cards. It includes a torn and restored card with it. Absolutely incredible. Okay. Next, you get Big or Little Club, which is a mental card magic effect from Larry Becker. These routines go together so well, and I'm going to explain that in a moment. Okay. Next, you have the closing finale act. This is an entire act which consists of several routines. So we have the opening act, the card act. Now we have the closing finale act. So this is three routines to make up one complete pro close-up magic act. Okay. The closing act is my new matrix and backfire matrix. Okay. I include teaching you my 4-coin production. I also incorporate the 7 plots of magic into this, which makes it so strong, including the Porous Paw by Ross Burcham, coin through hand, my new Super Spellbound, floating jumbo coin, my new jumbo coin Wipe Clean, vanishes and appearances, my jumbo coin Vanish to the Knee, my originals, my Biting the Jumbo coin, including a complete jumbo coin Vanish, which you can vanish the jumbo coin to silver glitter if you'd like. I also include 5 ebooks, 5 bonus ebooks. The Cerulean System, Creating Fine Art Magic, okay, which is 28 chapters on how to structure your magic properly by myself. I then have How to Develop Style and Magic, which is another book. Professional Magic Tips. I have a Pro Close-Up Magic Act Number 1, which is your guidebook. Then I have your Magic Act Checklist book. This is absolutely phenomenal. So it includes 16 incredible magic routines into one full close-up magic act. And this is just act number 1, guys. I'm very, very excited about this. This goes for $19.99 right now. Click on the link and get it today. Thank you very much.